Okay, here's a few more tips and great ideas to help you guys get more referrals. The most important thing that you can do, the most important person you should actually take care of is and are your patients. Your patients knows other potential patients as well. And that's right, if you take care of your patients, they actually have a friend, they have a cousin, they have a sister, and sometimes they even have their parents that are great patients for you. So your patients that you're taking care of, by you keeping them satisfied, they will be actually great referral sources for you. They will be able to get you more patients, because one of the best things that's ever out there is a satisfied patient, somebody who you can quote, somebody that you can actually put in your website if they want to be able to make a nice professional video how amazing your services are. By you having them, a satisfied patient leads to more referrals. So make sure you take good care of your patients, you keep them satisfied, and no, you should not just have those HCAP survey take care of your patients to be able to give you feedback and a report on how great you're doing. Your staff should be evaluating and calling these patients at least a minimum of every 2 weeks to follow up with them to find out how great your services are, or if there's anything that you can actually improve. This actually should be done by your administrators as well as your director of nursing. The nurses shouldn't be the only one in contact with the patient, or the therapist shouldn't be the only one in contact with the patients. Everyone should be available for the patients and to be able to find out if there's anything else you can do for them. Look, I want you guys to be able to ask the patient if they need anything. There's a lot of agencies that don't ask this. You understand this. It's a give-give situation. You want to be able to give them great service and keep on giving them great staff. You give them great care and they will be satisfied. And also, ask for the referrals. Don't forget that, okay? They are great referral sources, but if they're not going to give you referrals if you don't ask. Another tip I have is this. Media, okay? Contact the media. Go ahead and advertise yourself out there. Newspapers, local cable stations, newsletters out there, right? Local newsletters. Create a press release. There's websites out there where you can actually distribute your press release, your information that you can actually ask and get that press release released out there. If you don't know how to create a press release, it is not that expensive to actually hire somebody to make it for you. Make sure you create one, get the word out there on what you guys can provide. You'll be surprised how you're going to be able to get a phone call to be able to be in a news network. So one thing I can say is this. Take advantage of the media. Create yourself a wonderful newsletter. Put yourself out there. Advertise in papers. Create those newsletters and